What are you making, Molly?
I'm making some steak soup.
Steak soup?
Mama, why are you going to pick a letter out?
You pick a letter out, Molly. And tell us what it is. Pick out a letter of your alphabet soup.
It's a 7.
A 7, the number 7. Oh, it's alphabet and number soup. Good job, Molly. Good job.
Mom, why are you going to pick a letter out?
Do you want me to pick a letter out?
I'm going to pick a letter.
Okay, you pick a letter out of alphabet soup. Ooh, which one did you pick?
I picked a Z.
You picked a big Z? Yummy. Yummy. 6? Number 6?
I'm holding a warming.
Okay.
You want a green bean?
A green bean?
You want a green bean, Mama?
Sure.
I think I got your green bean.
Oh, thank you.
And veggie?
Yes.
You want a veggie?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Oh, I'm making veggies.
Yummy.
Oh, it's making. It's making some veggies.
Okay.
Where'd Bray go?
I don't know where Bray Bray is.
Where'd Bray go?
Where is he?
He's coming over to get me.
He's coming over to get you.
She's coming. And I'm throwing that. Now, why are you going to pick a letter up?
Okay, is it my turn to pick a letter out?
I love you. You're out to let it. Scandamoing, a dink, a dink. Scandamoing, do. I love you. Scandamoing, a dink, a dink. Scandamoing, a do. I love you. I love you in the morning and afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, get a going, a dink, get a going. Do, ooh, do, you. Go to booing, go dunk, go to booing. Mom, can I walk?
Can you walk?
I'm going to walk in the stroller.
Is it done raining?
Oh, it's done raining. I'm going to walk.
Wow. We'll have to look at the weather and see if it's done raining.
I want to put my shoes on. I want to put my shoes.
Okay, then let's clean up a little bit.
I want to clean up my Play-Doh.
Yes, clean up the Play-Doh. Clean up your Play-Doh.